Your beliefs do create your reality. Here is the real truth. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So there's all this talk about beliefs. One day, people are talking about how beliefs create reality. The next day, they're telling you beliefs don't create reality. So let's kind of dig into this and see how it applies to the law of attraction. So high flyers, I have a question for you. Do you know what reality is? I don't think anybody really knows exactly what reality is. There are all kinds of theories. Scientists have theories. Poets have theories. Spiritual people have theories. Religious people have theories. There are a variety of theories as to the nature of reality. But what exactly is reality? So one of the ways that we judge reality is by so-called facts or the laws of physics. Now, this is an interesting caveat all by itself. It's kind of a twisted trail, so to speak. Because if we take, for example, the law of gravity, and we say everything falls down, gravity pulls it down, we only have a number of experiences, a limited number. It may be billions, but we have a limited number of experiences. Here's what's kind of interesting. Every now and then, something breaks the law. Something operates outside of the law. And we call that an anomaly, or we call that a glitch in the matrix, or we call it a miracle. So as manifestors, what we're really concerned with is how beliefs bring about miracles or anomalies or glitches in the matrix, a difference in the law. If everything seems to be going in a particular direction, high flyers, we want to know, and that's not the direction we want to go, we want to know how our beliefs can shift the direction of reality. And it does. Mostly miracles are the result of beliefs that are so strong, so intense, that they overcome exterior reality. So high flyers, I have a mind blower right at the end of this video, but you're going to want to stay tuned. So let's take a look at that twisted trail of reality just for a moment. In Newtonian physics, gravity, things always fall down. Laws operate the same way all the time. But now we're understanding a whole new set of reality rules called quantum physics. Sometimes objects fall up. Sometimes they don't fall at all. Sometimes they go sideways. In other words, there seems to be more of an aspect of chaos to reality on a quantum level. Newtonian physics, the observer does not affect the outcome of reality, the outcome of the experiment. However, quantum physics, the observer, just the presence of observing affects the outcome of the experiment and thus changes reality. In other words, the beliefs of the observer have an effect on reality. Beliefs affect reality. So high flyers, what is reality? Newtonian physics says one thing, quantum physics says something else. You know, nobody has a sure handle on reality. But look at, we process about 2 million bits of information at any given time. At any given time, we're processing about 2 million bits of information. But there is an infinite amount of information, a Googleplex plus of information that is available to be processed at any given time in the universe. So our perspective of Total reality is microscopic. It's about the size of a grain of sand on a million ocean beaches, or maybe even more. So high flyers, how can that small amount of consciousness that each one of us has, how can that consciousness affect reality? How can it change reality when reality is so massively full of information and we have so little that we are privy to? How can it do it? And the answer is beliefs. So think of your small portion of reality, your small awareness of total reality as a small little pin. And think of reality as this massive balloon. That pin can still change the nature of that balloon with one little pinprick. However, I like this example. Think of reality as this huge doorway. And your consciousness is a key. By putting your consciousness, your key, into the keyhole, which is akin to being in alignment with your dreams, desires, and goals, you can open the door to whatever you desire, to your dreams, to the money you desire, the love you crave, the health you depend upon, the happiness you deserve. You don't have to know about the entire complex of reality. You don't have to have access to all the data in the universe. All you need to do is have a key. You see, the key puts you in vibrational alignment with your desires, dreams, and goals. And by putting it into the infinite field of potential, the doorway of the infinite field of potential, putting it into the slot and turning it, taking inspired action, increasing your personal power, your confidence, and your beliefs, you shift reality. Reality literally shifts, and it does it through the process of your beliefs. Let's make this even more esoteric. The ancient invocation of Thoth, or the ancient deity who is accredited to writing the Emerald Tablet of Hermes, from which the law of hermetics and the law of vibration and the law of attraction come forth. In that invocation, there's a very powerful sentence. It says, "He is in me, and I am in him." You are the doorway. You are the infinite field of potential. Everything that is out there is in here. Everything that is in here is out there. That's how your beliefs shift reality. As a manifester, it's absolutely essential that you understand that the infinite field of potential is always within you, and you are always within the infinite field of potential. Everything in reality already exists within you. Money, love, happiness, wealth, abundance, everything, it's already present within you. You are the key, but you're also the door. It all exists within you, and the secret to the shift that you desire in your life is belief. Belief brings you to this I'm getting excited. Belief brings you to this inner shift. And when that takes place, you're in alignment with exactly what you desire, and boom, it happens. It manifests. Some people call it an anomaly. Some people call it a glitch. Some people call it a miracle. So high flyers, when we talk about beliefs, we're talking about inspired beliefs. Beliefs that are literally aflame with energy and fire and passion. These beliefs, inspired literally means to be in the spirit. In the spirit. Okay, so first we have the creative brain, the ego. We know that beliefs in the ego are not strong enough to shift reality in and of themselves. They can shift minor aspects of reality, but that's only 8% of your consciousness. Now you've got your subconscious. That's the other 92%. Now you've got your nervous system and your muscular system. They have to be in harmony as well. And finally, your energy field. When every aspect of you, your energy field, your nervous system, your subconscious, and your conscious are working in alignment, they're not inner fighting. There's no inner argument going on. You are ready to believe, you are believing, I should say, and because you are believing so powerfully and so strongly with every aspect of your being, you are shifting reality. And it's easy. It's easy to shift reality when every aspect of your being is focused in the same direction. You see, high flyers, imagination allows you to see beyond existing beliefs. Your existing belief says this is reality, it can't change, or it won't change. But new beliefs give you access to new thoughts and new imagination. And that is the absolute key to manifesting your dreams, desires, and goals. Imagination is the preview to life's coming attractions, according to Albert Einstein. So anything you desire, that you desire to manifest in your life, first you must totally believe it, completely, without any reservation. S.L. McGregor Mathers, the founder of the Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn, said, "Believe that thou art there, and thou art." In other words, the belief through imagination that you are somewhere in a new reality, in a new timeline. That belief is absolutely essential. Believe that thou art there, and thou art. You have the ability to shift reality through your beliefs. Neville Goddard talks about that reality, everything in our reality is you pushed out. So think about that. Everything within you is you. Everything outside of you is within you. And if you change your beliefs within, the outside world shifts as well. It must happen. As above, so below. As within, so without. Beliefs shift reality. So high flyers, you don't need to accept the reality of someone else. You don't need to accept their limiting beliefs, their doubts, their fears. You do not need to buy in to their reality. Henry Ford said, if you think you can, you're right. And if you think you can't, you are also right. What you believe about you, what you believe about your ability to manifest, what you believe about your relationships, about your love life, about your family, about your money, about your prosperity. What you believe determines exactly what you manifest. If you're where exactly you desire to be, then keep your beliefs exactly the same. If you want to shift your reality, if you want to change your reality, then first it's essential that you change your beliefs. Hey, listen, I've got more exciting videos for you. Check these out.